Hi everyone, I'm Mike Palmer, Certified Financial Planner and founder of ARC Royal Wealth Management. If you're retired and still have money in a 401k or 403b, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down why it might be a smart move to roll that 401k or 403b into an individual retirement account or IRA. Let's dive in. Let's start with the most obvious reason: more investment options. Your old 401k is limited to a curated list of funds chosen by the plan administrator. And sometimes that list can be really narrow. For example, we've seen plans that don't offer a basic index fund in certain asset classes. When you roll your 401k or 403b into an IRA, you have access to a much broader universe of investments. You can invest in ETFs, mutual funds, individual stocks and bonds, and even alternative investments. More flexibility means you can build a portfolio that better aligns with your goals, risk tolerance, and income needs, and often with lower cost and better diversification. Here's a lesser known benefit to rolling over your 401k or 403b: how dividends and interest are handled. In a 401k or 403b, dividends and interest are automatically reinvested. That's great during your working years, but if you're retired and living off your portfolio, not so much. In an IRA, you get to decide whether to reinvest income or take it in cash. Receiving those earnings as cash can reduce the need to sell investments if you are taking regular distributions to live on. Another overlooked issue is how fund sales are handled for any money you withdraw. With 401k and 403bs, the rules around distributions vary. Some plans require you to sell all your funds pro rata, while others follow what's known as a fund hierarchy, which stipulates which funds are sold first to raise cash. This is confusing, inefficient, and has unintended consequences, as an article linked in the show notes outlines. IRAs offer you total control. You choose which investments to sell, how much, and when, making it far easier to manage cash flow and taxes in retirement. Managing one retirement account is easier than juggling two or three. Rolling over to an IRA simplifies rebalancing, automating withdrawal payments, tax withholding, and managing required minimum distributions. It also simplifies your paperwork and gathering tax information at tax time. And here's the kicker: some 401k and 403b plans charge fees for taking distributions, fees you don't incur with IRA withdrawals. One important note: these rollover benefits only apply if you're retired. We've seen some financial advisors recommend something called an in-service distribution to people who are still working. This is when you move money from a 401k or 403b into an IRA before retirement. More often than not, this is a tactic for the advisor to make money, and we generally don't recommend this strategy. We have another video that goes into detail on the pros and cons of in-service distributions. A link to that video is in the show notes below. Also, don't forget to evaluate your 401k or 403b fees, which consist of two different fees: plan administration cost and the actual investment fees. Most employers cover plan administration cost. Those are the fees for record keeping and plan administration, such as filing the plan's tax return. But be sure to check your summary plan description to confirm if the company is paying those fees or if they're being passed along to the participants. As for investment fees, those vary. Some 401k and 403b plans have funds that are cheaper than IRA options, but not always. It depends on your plan and the funds you select. So be sure to research the fees on your specific investment choices. So, should you roll over your 401k or 403b into an IRA after you retire? For many retirees, the answer is yes, because of expanded choices, better income control, more distribution flexibility, and lower fees, potentially. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you'd like to learn more about the benefits of working with a truly independent and objective fee-only financial advisor, we welcome the opportunity to talk with you.